Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to do a quick video on the two sneakers that I got my hands on this weekend. This one, like you can tell, is an Air Jordan 1. So we'll go through this box first. Like you can tell, if you already know, you can see a Union Jack right there. So this is a Reebok Classic sneaker. Shout out to the guys from Reebok for sending these through to me. And the pair I got in this box is my favorite silhouette from Reebok Classics, the Instapump Fury. This is one crazy sneaker. Like you can tell, already worn. I got these out of the box and wore them straight to my feet. That's how much I love the Instapump Fury. Now this specific model is a collab with Kenzo. Like you can see, the insole's a little different, and Kenzo Minami has also got an upcoming collab with the guys at Reebok. He's working on a Zig model that's already out, I think, in the market. Kenzo is a designer, so he's put this glitch kind of a pattern throughout the shoe. It also runs through the midsole. Some interesting details on the heel, like you can see right there. You have those clouds, very synonymous with Japanese tattoos or whatever. And I don't know, I just feels like I'm not really aware of his work, so to me it feels like random patterns thrown together. And the only hit of color that you see in the entire shoe is right here near the toe box. A little bit of that yellow, like you can see on the box right there. The outsole's all white. You have your carbon fiber shank right there in the midfoot. Even the pumps got the R58 print and that circular thing going on there. 1958. So R58 is like Reebok 58 pattern. Oh, right there. You have some red R58, and you also have the blue and pink. This thing looks like something that says parental advisory. So you get the hint. The left sneaker, the left pair as well, is more or less similar. You have the same patterns running all through the sneaker. It's just the heel area that's a little different because you have the yin, the yang, those patterns right there. Let me compare this with a regular Instapump Fury that came out a couple of months ago. Now this is the one. It's got the entire carbon fiber kind of a finish that runs from the shank all the way to the uppers. The midsoles are clean and white, and you have your hexalite cutout window there, which is also translucent. Contrary to that, this hexalite cutout has hits of purple. So yeah, and the midsole is colored too. I'm gonna place them side by side so you can take a look for yourself. That's the Instapump Fury. With that out of the way, let's get into the Air Jordan. There you have it, the standard Jordan 1 box. Lifting off the lid. This one too, as soon as I got my hands on it, threw them on feet. Not as dirty as the Instapump, but then again, that's a white sole and this is green. This pair is the Prime Green 2.0. Not a lot of fans of this model. A lot of people think that they will sit, and I probably think they're right. The glue smell is so strong that I can smell it just holding it at this distance. It's very different from a lot of Jordan 1 OGs. For instance, you have this leather tab right here with the Nike Air branding in red. It usually is a nylon tag with the same color as the sneaker, so it would be a green Nike Air and not a red. This was seen in the Define series as well. Same goes with the sock liner. It's got that smooth satin kind of a finish, like polyester, not that meshy kind of finish like you would see on regular OGs. The leather, not a big fan, although it's soft and it creases nicely. It's got a very matte finish compared to regular Jordan 1s that have a bit of gloss. Also, I hate this fake tumbling. I prefer for the leather to take its own creasing and not these fake creases that are the tumbles that are built into it. The same tumbling carries on to all the green and the black panels. Like I was saying, the black panels are all matted out, and that's another big difference. You have a separate Air Jordan patch cut out and sewn on the sneaker. The weirdest thing though, it came with spare red laces. I mean, I'm sure the red is supposed to go with the Nike Air here, but I just don't see it going on a sneaker, not unless you're wearing it for Christmas and you want to look like an elf. Basic insole with the Nike Air branding that will wear out within the first use itself. Now let me also place this side by side next to another Jordan that I already have out of the box, and that's the Homage to Home. You see how this panel is? It's pressed right into the leather right there, and this one is like an extra patch that has been sewn on. Again, you see the kind of the shine it's got on the leather there, and this one being very matte. Yeah, this is the Homage to Home, so even the tag is split, keeping with the theme of the sneaker, but this one's like a sporty tag. Yeah, so that's about it for this video. I wanted to take you to the sneaker pickups of this weekend. I'm gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Until the next time, you guys, peace.